Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Flip 6 and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, in the first step, swipe out the screen and open Settings application. In it, we choose first Connections and there Data Usage. In it, Billing Size and Data Warming, and there we can set our data limit. First that we can set when our sales start, maybe first day of each month. There by the switch we can turn on, turn off data warming, and we can set in custom number in gigabytes and megabytes. Maybe we set data warming when we use 10 gigabytes. And there we must turn on for second function, set data limits, and we can set it in the same style as warming. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.